Hello everyone, this is Innovative Market Warehouse, and in this video we'll learn how to import the Super 45 and Good 45 in two different watch lists in TradingView. For that, we need to copy just 10 stocks at each time and paste in TradingView. तो हम देखते हैं जब हम TradingView जाते हैं and I will open TradingView for you. Okay, just go type TradingView. It's totally free software. It allows you to add stocks. Okay, so if you don't have account, you can create account over here and just click. You can see the watch list here. Okay, I have created some watch list. So these are the watch list that I have created. For creating more than two watch list, I think you can create from your phone. phone से बनता है watch list more than two, I think. ठीक है, देख लेना एक बार. And for I will add the stocks in this one. Okay, I already have added, but to show how to add, I'll just click on this symbol. प्लस के सिंबल यहाँ पे है ना, यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है. And you need to at one time you just select 10 stocks. Okay, ये सारा ज़्यादा स्टॉक सेलेक्ट करने में प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I will have select 10 stocks. So just 10 you can add that 45 stocks. Okay, now just enter. Okay, see, I've got this 10 stocks. In that way you can add all the stocks. Okay, so suppose I have added these stocks in Super 45. You can create one more watch list. How to create watch list? From phone you can add new watch list, and in that watch list you can create good 45 stocks. Okay, so I have done Super 45, and you can create the Super 45 stocks and good 45 stocks. Okay, in your portfolio, and just save it. Okay, now next video we will learn how to use the two technique that I was talking for.